In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Snapchat without verification code. So if you can't log into Snapchat like I currently am logged in, what you want to do is you want to open up your email app and then you want to send an email that goes support@snapchat.com, and then you want to say something like, I had to get a new phone number and new phone recently. When I went to log into Snapchat, it asked for a verification code. It is sending the code to my old number. Please assist me in recovering my account. Thank you. And this is definitely a message you can send them, and then they will look into it and help you out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.